All right, everybody. So Cortana just tried to take it out the zone, but now we are back in it. We are back in it. So the question that I was gonna ask you guys, my family, is what is stopping you from repairing your credit? Is it cash? Because if it is, I have good news. Financial Freedom Credit Repair now offers two very affordable ways for you to kickstart that path to financial freedom. Option number one, $34.99. Option number two, $150. We're just gonna get in it. So for $34.99, that is our Disputed Yourself Credit Repair Kit. Now what this comes with is 5 dispute letters, a step-by-step guide on the proper way to utilize those dispute letters, as well as 3 ways to boost your score within the 45-day period. All right, now that's only for $34.99, people. Sign up today to get that. Now, for a startup fee of $150, that is our premium repair plan. Now that's a startup fee and then a fee of $50 every month. Now what this consists of is anything negative on your report, bankruptcies, collections, evictions, anything negative on your report will be disputed, and we will be guiding you to those accounts that will help build your credit that you don't have to get approved for. Emphasis on that. Okay, so those are our 2 new plans. Financial Freedom Credit Repair's 2 new plans, $34.99, $150 will get you together. Okay, so reach out to us ASAP. Make sure to follow our page on Facebook at Financial Freedom Credit Repair, as well as Instagram at FF Credit Repair. We now have a bunch of new videos on on YouTube as well. Subscribe to that page, FF Credit Repair. All right, talk to you guys later.
Real shit, the attention is the new dope. I remember trying to come up on the ground. Now I'm making big plays on the ground. Now I'm just trying to come up on some land. Even if I gotta run up on a man, so much shit.